So raising a child comes with challenges and unique circumstances and unexpected happenings. We've all been there where, my 9-year-old will occasionally say, "Hey, Mom, I want to go do this." And it might be a 2 or 3-day event. And if you're co-parenting, you need to be able to adjust your schedules to take care of your child. There's a couple ways that can be handled. First, you can reach out to the co-parent and try and resolve it together without anybody else being involved. Work out transportation. Work out where the child is staying. And if you guys can agree, great. If not, and it's something that needs a court intervention, those temporary schedule changes are hard to address in court because it takes a little while to get in front of a judge. So a lot of times you're going to have to deal with that parent. If you cannot reach an agreement that works for both of you easily, it might be hard. The truth is, you may have to adjust your schedule. They may have to adjust their schedule. But what happens when you're co-parenting is that the order ultimately controls. So whatever the court has previously ordered, that is what you have to follow. That does not mean that your child can't participate. It means that the child's schedule might not change with the parents. Maybe the parent's schedule changes. Another time that we see this is when the child wants to do something that may be on mom's and dad's days. And dad doesn't approve or mom doesn't approve using their time for that event. The courts are always going to go back to the best interest of the child. And while we may not be able to fix this situation today or tomorrow, we can use this later in court when we're talking to the judge and explaining how do you guys co-parent and how do you guys put the needs of your child first. When they're looking at that custody for best interest of the child, that would be something that the court would consider.